Alright guys, this is Dan from Fisher Jeep Adventures. One of the other things that we found on our last trip was that carrying some extra fuel is not a bad idea. I ended up getting really close to running out of fuel on the Georgia Traverse and had to pop off the trail to go get some. So having some extra gas would have been a nice thing. So what we have is two 2-gallon Rotopax kits, two locking connections, and then two locking mounts, and then a kit from Rockslide Engineering that mounts to the spare tire. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, please stick around for the video. Alright, so it just uses a normal 1/2-inch bolt. We're going to put some Loctite on it just to keep it from backing out. If you guys haven't seen this before, this is basically Loctite in a stick, kind of like a chapstick, and basically you just rub it on like that. And it's kind of a gel, so it works really good. Like I said, it's just like chapstick. You turn the bottom and move it up, and we'll do the other side. Then use a 1/2-inch ratchet. Slug it down. All right, so the way the instructions have it is you take the included strap, gonna come up, go through that, through there, all right, that gives us a pretty good adjustment, and we'll see how we get on the Jeep. So the way this is supposed to work is they're supposed to sit about the middle of the tire. So save yourself from being yourself, and make sure this is going to orient to the bottom, or you can do what I did, which is had it set like that, and so you don't have to re-pull it all the way through. All right, so that went together really easily. So we'll put the Rotopax on there and kind of see how it looks. Some of you may remember from a different video that I do have a tray that sits on top of the tire that gets held down by a couple straps, but I think all this will work together as one big system. So let's get those Rotopax on. All right, the way these Rotopax work is, especially the locking kind, is you pull the lock cylinder out, and then basically you spin this out together as a unit, slide the Rotopax on, and then this inner piece has got a square fitting to it, and it's what actually locks up against the nubs that are right here. So if you can see, there's a depression there, and on the back side of that bracket there's a little indention, and once you get that oriented right, there's a square piece that actually just slides right in. So all right, once the square piece is into the slot, you just tighten it down. Hear the click, and then one more turn and it clicks, and then you just put the lock cylinder back in. All right, now it's tight. All right, and now you've got 2 cans. All right, now we got a pretty simple way of adding 4 gallons of fuel to the back of the Jeep. So pretty neat installation. Pretty quick as a simple kit. The Rotopax are not the cheapest things in the world. These things run about $60 or $70. The locks are another $30 or $40. And then the kit, Rockslide Engineering, is another $100 or so. So I'll put a link in the description below for all the pieces that I put together here and the pricing that I had for them. And hope you guys got something from the video. Quick, easy way to add some emergency fuel to the Jeep. So thanks for watching. Like I said, hope you guys got something from the video. Please subscribe, like, comment. And this is Dan from Fisher Jeep Adventures. We'll see you on the trail.